जॉयल बाब तुमची पेपरान काल एक थायलंडाची स्टोरी हाडिल्ली ती थंय गोंयकार कशे अडकून पडल्या तेय बी इल्लिगली गेल्ले. आतां अमेरिकेक कोणी इल्लिगली गेलो म्हणजे समजुपा जाता, थायलंडा कित्याक इल्लिगली गेले? आनी हे दोनी केसी ह्यो डिपोर्टेशनाची गजाली आसा पळय. हाव डू यू लुक एट इट?
सी प्रमोद, इल्लिगली वचपाचे प्रकरण एक there are 2-3 ways where people take this route. One is एजंट जो आसा तो फटयता आनी तांकां सांगता जॉब्स आसा, अशी जॉब्स आसा, आनी थिंगा गेले म्हणटच ते दुसरीच वेगळीच जॉबां आसता, ती जॉबां आसना. सो दॅट पर्सन इज ट्रॅप्ड देर. जशें थायलंडाक जालें तशें. USA तूं वयतलो जाल्यार देर आर अगेन 2 ways where one is a person applies for a job on a ship. Okay, and most of the ships companies are based in Miami. आनीक ते मायामी तर वयताच and then they jump ship. थिंगच्यान ते मागीर लँडार वयता आनी मागीर ते डिसअपियर. अगेन इट बिकम्स illegal. But here in the Miami case, the agent is not responsible. He is actually making you a booking to go on a ship.
Yeah, it's a legitimate
yeah.
job. Yeah.
The second is the donkey route, the Mexico route, which is very clear. The agent tells you that this is an illegal route, and there is a proper process when the agent follows. Like he takes a letter of intent from you. You have to pay an advance of around a couple of lakhs, saying that you are ready to take up this job. So to kya karta, after you sign that intent letter and pay him that advance, then the next thing is that he goes ahead and does your processes of visas and ticketing and all of that. And magir you go ahead with that this thing. So in this case, आता हे जे मेक्सिकोच्यान गेले ते they were fully aware that they are taking the illegal course. Okay, because the moment you land in Mexico and try to enter into USA, it means illegal. So at no point of time should we be fooled in knowing that they were not aware and they were misguided to go into US via Mexico. अशें जावंक शकत ना. So my simple thing is that if at all any Goan or anybody who has taken this route to go to USA illegally, they have taken it on their own risk. Illegal agent asaच, and ताका ते FIR launch करून the police will go into that case. But at the same time, the person who is agreeing to go also is responsible. So police also will have to look into that aspect.
थायलंडाची गजाल कितें? थायलंडाची तूं म्हणटा outright cheating.
Yeah.
Thailand is not like this.
Thailand is not like this. Thailand is a case where you have been promised a job, proper job, and थिंगा गेलो म्हणटा तुका ते proper job नाशिल्लें आनी थिंगा तूं अडकळेन उरलो. You are stuck there because your job is not what you was promised. The fact is that you cannot come back now because now again you are overstayed and you have all sorts of legal documentation issues and all. Now the Indian government will have to find a way out to get them back. So वेगळेच issue there. Okay, but the thing is that agents illegally taking people overseas in the guise of a job. I think NRI commissioner also will have to look into it. Lot of things have been happening, Pramod, like खूबशी jobs, in UAE, for example. Most of our people have been taken there as housemaids and engaged into prostitution there, and थिंगा खूबशे हे आशिल्ले complaints जाताले सारके. So I think NRI cell will have to take a proactive stance in this and maybe look at the agents properly.
Who are doing it. कारण लोकीक प्रश्न हो इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आतां हे कित्याक अशें न्ही की ह्यो केसीस जायनाशिल्ल्यो. अश्यो आयसोलेटेड केसीस आमकां कळटाल्यो की कोणा तरी जॉब ऑफर दिली, थंय व्हरून ते वेगळेच चित्र तयार जालें, कोणाक प्रॉस्टिट्युशना भितर घालें, कोणाक चीट केलो, कोणा आनी कितें केलो, ह्यो गजाली पिरियॉडिकली येताल्यो.